ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, इट्स रेनिंग एनी टाइम नाउअडेज. लोग घूर घूर के देखेंगे तो मुझे घूर घूर के दिखाना नहीं है उनको कुछ भी. गणपति अप्पा मोरया. Paju is also a bougie dog, no Paji?
Very good healthy follicle, 3 hair, तीनों के तीनों मोटे.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a Nabso Hustle. It's our where you and I, we hustle together. We are picking up exactly where we left off in the last vlog. It is a Thursday afternoon, early afternoon. I'm sipping on my Nawabi pistachio in iced latte and it's such a nice combination with milk. Hazelnut and pistachio taste amazing with milk. A lot of coffees taste amazing with milk, but these are my two top picks because I like that little roastiness. मैं बिल्कुल शक्कर नहीं डालती मेरी कॉफी में, and the flavor is very rich in milk, like really rich. And this mascara is the one I'm going to use now. It says waterproof, but honestly it's very easy to remove. This is Maybelline's Surreal Falsies. It is so good. Can't wait for Maybelline to launch this in India. This is really nice, very nice. I don't know, I didn't bring this from London. Did I bring from London?
Yeah.
क्या और किधर से?
US.
I think US. Yeah, I think I bought this from US. I'm doing some SS work because Sharon keeps complaining that I don't do any SS work because I only do impulse nowadays. And
Yeah, that is true.
True.
But then I'm pressuring her. That is like
There is no work. Tell her to bring me some work and then I'll do.
Right now, everyone is sleeping. Diwali vacations, I'm lousy.
Yeah, people are in a slump. People are not getting up off their Diwali slump. Even my vendors are like still on holiday in Panchgani. Like
That's crazy. Yeah, that's like.
It's like मैडम मैं पंचगनी से आज आ रहा हूँ तो मैं आज माल भिजवा था. Like bro अभी तक तो पंचगनी में क्या कर रहा है? Like दिवाली हो गई, पटाखे जल गए, अभी तुम जाओ, मेरा वेयरहाउस जल गया, अभी माल भेजो. Not understanding the seriousness of the situation. And for me, I have no Diwali slump because I rested in Goa for this very reason. I knew people would be on leave and people would be chutting and nobody responds during Diwali. Okay, not the warehouse, not the delivery partners, nothing moves, not a patta moves in India during Diwali. So only Mumbaikars are like hustling. So I was like, even I'm going to stop the hustle and go to Goa. वो कर लिया अभी. अभी I want everyone to get. Even my banking people are on leave. Like we want to send our payments and our bankers are like, मैडम हम छुट्टी पे हमारे सारे रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर्स छुट्टी पे. अमेजिंग सॉर्ट, अमेजिंग. श्रद्धा 3 बजे से पहले पेमेंट हो जाएगी ना? मेरे को मैसेज नहीं आया है अभी तक. तू फॉलो अप ले उससे. HDFC का दिस ब्रांच ना मेरे घर के पास एकदम होपलेस ही है. ओवरऑल HDFC, everybody else, now their app is also updated. I used to complain about HDFC in every vlog before, but now their app, their net banking, everything is updated, which I'm happy about. Now finally I feel like they got a developer to do a better job because they used to have the worst application in the world. Now it's a better app. Just that the relationship managers in this branch are very lousy and they keep changing. Nobody sticks around only in this branch. Mascara is on. I am ready to shoot. अगर आज golden hour आया तो उसमें shoot करेंगे. पता नहीं आज बारिश तो नहीं लग रही, but you never know. Global warming. It's raining anytime nowadays. Also PMSing hardcore. I'm gonna get my period next week when we are traveling. I really want a winter holiday. I want a holiday where I'm wearing layers. When I say Nazar is real, I literally just posted my coffee on my stories. Like I was sitting and drinking like this, enjoying my coffee. And the next second, this whole coffee is fallen on me. Like, अभी मैंने स्टोरी डाली थी, मेरी प्यारी कॉफी बनी थी इतनी अच्छी, मेरा पूरा जीन्स सब भीग गया.
Many hours later.
Guys, I'm running super late. I'm gonna meet my friend Roshni for dinner. She had also come with Pooja, but she came 1 week after Pooja from London. So Pooja was there for the Diwali party. Roshni was not there for our Diwali party because she was coming only on 20th. I'm gonna spray this Dalba finishings first spray serum. I literally spray this everywhere on my body, on my hair. Oh, not on my hair. It's for the face and body. It's just to add this glow because मुझे moisturizer लगा के चिपचिपी नहीं करनी skin. So I'm now gonna put moisturizer actually. Spray this. I'm gonna put my water tint from Etude House as my cheek stain. I worked the whole day. I went for workout. Came back, showered, finished my prayers, and now I'm going. I have a reservation at Bandra Bon. It's a new restaurant in Bandra. Bandra में इतनी new restaurants आ गई है, and मुझे time ही नहीं मिलता. I'm not a food blogger, and I don't have time also anymore to do all this in life. So I am going now. Let me try this new. It's Mocha by Westside. Westside also has makeup now. All these brands have. That's really nice. Wow. Westside is killing it. ये मैंने खरीदा था वेबसाइट से, मुझे एक्चुअली रील बनानी थी. रील तो मैं बनाऊंगी, but wow, like look at that color and payoff and balminess, so good. I had waterproof mascara, तो मेकअप धोने के बाद ही mascara नहीं निकला, which is good. Actually wanted a plum color lipstick, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. I have to leave. I'm gonna get so late otherwise. I'm gonna accessorize. I think I'm gonna take the auto. I'll put a denim jacket. Satyam, मेरा सफेद वाला denim jacket देना. Just cover the situation in the auto and then open up when I reach. Hair is hairing today. Earrings and rings. बस इतनी jewelry है, but मजाल के जब मुझे जो चाहिए वो मिलेगा. This is not looking good. I'm actually not wearing jeans नीचे. I'm wearing pants. So this doesn't really go with my look because I'm wearing brown pants. But it's okay. Any girl in Bombay can tell why I'm wearing this. Actually Bombay is pretty safe. कुछ होगा नहीं, but लोग घूर घूर के देखेंगे तो मुझे घूर घूर के दिखाना नहीं है उनको कुछ भी. We try to not eat dessert, but the dessert follows us everywhere.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's a busy Thursday today for me. I have a lot of work because it's 31st October, so that's the last day, and now finally Diwali slump is ending. People are coming back to their work, and so many people take such a long Diwali break. It's crazy to me because Mumbaikars don't do that, but a lot of people are like just coming back from their Diwali break. My vendors, brands that I work with, and etc. etc. So a lot of people will be like messaging on WhatsApp. The replies be non-stop. Children, my phone is literally buzzing. But I have to get ready. There's a big shoot that I have to go to. It's happening in Khar, and it is for Moroccan oil. So it's a hair care product. It's a really cool product, and I need to style my hair for that shoot. ये हफ्ते में मैं already 3 बार बाल धो ली हूँ, which is crazy to me because I don't wash my hair that often. But my hair doesn't fall that much when I wash it more, which is a good thing, right? That means the scalp health. If you keep it good, then you don't get a lot of hair fall. I also shaved my underarms. Finally, I had to shoot. It's so crazy. You know, I had to shoot, so I had to grow my hair out. So I couldn't shave my underarms all these days, and I get very fine and very less underarm hair. I don't get a lot of hair. So I had to wait for my hair to come back and like really grow out a bush under my arms so that I could shoot my underarm shaving routine for y'all. And then shave my underarms क्योंकि मेरे वरना बाल दिखते ही नहीं है. People will be like आपके तो बाल है ही नहीं तो आप क्या शेव कर रहे हो. But आते हैं, मतलब थोड़े बहुत भी आते हैं तो I immediately shave it because I get very thin hair overall in my body. Can you see how thin my hair is? Like even on my scalp, even on my body. I've not shaved my body in a month, more than a month. Can you see my hair? It's so patla, you can't even tell. It's very patla, and it's just hormonal and genetic for me. It's genetic, not hormonal, because I've never like genetically had thicker hair anywhere in my body. The genetics play a huge role on how your hair type is overall, because I have shaved, I have waxed, I've done laser hair removal on my legs. Nothing changes the way your hair is apart from like the genetics, in my opinion, क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो कुछ भी बदला नहीं है. Even the growth, even how fast it grows, everything. So anyway, I am getting dressed for my shoot like I said, and I use my Dyson so less nowadays. My hair quality has become so much better. Overall, Dyson uses air technology, and it is the best blow dryer or like blowout that I like a very 90s blowout it gives you. As per Dyson's technology, it's of course less heat damage, but I still feel कि मैंने 1-2 महीने से Dyson use करना भी बंद कर दिया है, and overall मेरी hair की health काफी अच्छी हो गई है. So imagine like other heat tools must be like damaging hair so much, which I used to do before because I used to keep calling hairstylists and getting my hair styled. I'll shoot one brand video and then we'll go for the shoot. I've also not eaten breakfast yet. I don't eat breakfast immediately anymore. I eat like a brunch, which is like intermittent fasting करने के बाद directly I eat at 1 o'clock. मेरा वैसे भी 12-hour fasting window ही होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि it's like extraordinary. But some days I try. Like last night we ate our dinner at 12 p.m. and today I'm eating at 12 p.m. So a lot of people ask me for my blow dry tutorial. मैंने already किया है and it honestly never changes. With the Dyson, since it's auto wrapping, एक ही तरीके से you can use it according to the barrel size. Wrap it and then it auto wraps. This is my favorite attachment because आज ये curly दिखेगा, थोड़ा ऐसा blowed out, and then कल तक वो ऐसा थोड़ा open out, okay, एकदम open hair blow dry जैसा दिखेगा. So I like what this particular attachment does for my hair. We actually have a flash sale for Ice Tea tomorrow, so I'm done with all that work yesterday. Alright guys, I changed my outfit and I finished my blow dry. It is a little frizzy because I've not put like a lot of frizz control products. I'm actually going to do the shoot for the frizz control spray over there. So I'm gonna let them be a little frizzy and then just show the effects of that product in my reel. So ये ऐसे ही रखते हैं थोड़ा haphazardly done blow dry. Quickly going to do my makeup. I am running a little late because this blow dry took very long. अब मेरी आदत छूट गई है तो I've become a little slowish. Putting my all-nighter setting spray. Like a primer, I use the all-nighter setting spray. I am tan from Goa, you can see that. So the foundation I'm using is, I'm gonna mix two actually, House Labs and Clinique. House Labs is when I am on my darker complexion and it matches me very nicely on the neck. And Clinique is slightly light for me, but it has SPF, and since this is a day shoot, it will look really nice. Achhe se, like, look at that. The color match is good. The blending Clinique blends really nicely. This is my new favorite concealer. Every day I'm using this and I'm obsessed. Look at how creamy, it's like makhan. This is PAC's new Studio HD concealer. This is in the shade 320 Deep. It is the perfect shade. It is the perfect formula. They've killed it with the price point. It's just $5.91 and you're getting like 8 ml of product. It's a big tube, like thick. I love this concealer. Like मेरे Fenty और Huda को replace कर दिया है इसने, and that is saying something. Like affordable concealers rarely ever work nicely, like give you pigment and coverage and longevity and do not crease, like all of it. Like I messaged the PAC founder and I was like, wow, you killed it with this product and you should be marketing it more. They are not. They like keep launching and then they focus on the next launch and I'm like, no, you push this concealer, it's too good. This is Mars liquid lipstick in the shade Espresso Suit. I mixed these two colors from Mars. It's a part of a kit only. Very good liquid lipsticks. Alright guys, I'm just half dressed to leave for the shoot with my cute clips and this Namuna. I didn't hire him. Sharon hired him. Wasting my money on this man.
Last moment तो अच्छा वो आ गया.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see you like this now. What is nice, huh? But it's like frizzy, and I
Right.
want you like completely like a Hollywood celebrity, like very sweet, not sleeker, but
Got it. Like
Very
you want the
shy.
shinier waves.
Yeah.
But then let me take the before in this.
yeah.
Okay.
We need to see obviously the
before,
the
yeah.
before, and maybe I want her instead of me doing you this. I just explain why you need to apply 20 centimeters. You need to do this kind of movement.
Won't be in my video.
I know.
Because if he's also
But
not-
I need to be
Yeah.
I need to be there because you look fake before and after. After you will look like so polished. It's impossible for you to do this. You just need to see hands or
And should work.
Anything that you're comfortable with works.
I think you'll be sitting, he'll be here, and the shot will be taken from there.
it's just if you see before after is like wow, it looks fake because it will be too perfect. and
Correct.
you-
No, we'll take the process. No, we'll take the process. So basically,
Or you know, if I do like that without doing the after, my hair here is not
making
is
sense.
not
Yeah.
broken.
No. Yeah.
I need like the luxury of the product.
Got it. Yeah. Perfect. So we'll take मेरा P2C segment. फिर उसके बाद I'm calling in the expert. He shows the application or not. If he's talking अपन खाली मेरे mic पे जो होता है वरना अपन voice over कर देंगे. And वो style करेंगे वो भी ले लेंगे.
Yeah. I know Kalkin very nice.
Oh, you know Kalki?
I work. Look, I just posted yesterday. Where is Kalkin? I love to post some memories, you know.
Yeah. So do you come to India often?
3-4 times in a year. But I was there 6 years, no? Before.
Okay.
If you see, well, this is my campaign with them.
Oh, with Kalki?
Yeah.
Amazing. So
It's
good.
2 brothers, no, or 2.
Yeah, two brothers. Yeah.
I
Two.
love them.
One eternity later. Later that same evening.
Who has come? अरे किया स्नैप तो किया अजू he was just praising.
अब भी मैंने उसको बोला कि कितना मस्त
Yeah.
के बैठा है और खुद ही ने उसने ऐसा मुंडी होके बैठा है करके क्या अभी कर
क्या टीवी को क्या कर रहा है बेटा आप? ये देखो टीवी के कंट्रोल्स YouTube लगा दिया वो बोलते हैं गाने सुनूंगा. What are you doing? फजी What's up? Sam has come to chill. पूरा दिन मम्मी के साथ शूट कर रहा था एंड दूसरी चीज है तो we're gonna chill. Yes फजी यस कैची. ये कैमरा जो बहुत डेलिकेटली संभालना है ब्रो. आपको उद्घाटन कीजिए.
मैंने वो ओपन किया है बस कैमरा का नहीं ओपन किया मैंने वो वाला.
बहुत संभालना. मैं बहुत गिरा चुकी हूँ एक बार ऑलरेडी रीइंबर्समेंट. और इन लोगों का कस्टमर सर्विस दिल्ली में है. अगर कुछ भी होता है तो अपने को कैमरा को पैक करके डब्बा प्लीज संभाल के रखना. दिल्ली भेजना होता है. कुछ भी खराब हो तो उन लोग रिप्लेसमेंट देते. बट अपने अगर मार्क्स होंगे कैमरा पे तो लोग नहीं देंगे. बोलेंगे तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है गिरने की वजह से. ठीक है तो मार्क्स नहीं. और गिरता है बहुत तो इसलिए उसको ऐसे केस में ही डालना. ब्लॉक करना वापस इसमें रखना केस के अंदर.
गणपति अप्पा
ओके व्लॉगिंग इंसेप्शन. ऑल्दो इसके पास एसडी कार्ड नहीं है तो कुछ फुटेज नहीं रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. ही हैज जस्ट बॉट द Osmo Pocket 3 तो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग हिम डेलिकेट कैमरा. इसके अंदर कैसे डालेगा दिखा मेरे को. चल ट्यूटोरियल.
पहले इसको डिटैच करूंगा. चलेगा ना डिटैच.
नहीं उसके बिना भी डाल सकता है तो सही से डाल. लेकिन गलत. वेरी गुड. तेरा स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टेड होना चाहिए और तेरा गिम्बल प्रोटेक्टेड होना चाहिए. एंड देन यू कैन पुट इट टू चार्ज फ्रॉम योर. यू बॉट द ट्राइपॉड. या ग्रेट. या सो जैसे कहाँ से लाया है तू? Amazon पे से.
Amazon पे डाला मैंने. जो दिखा मैंने डाल दिया Amazon पे. कार्ट पे मैंने कब के डाल के रखा था तेरे को पता है. 4 महीने से मैं कार्ट पे डाल के रखा था कि खरीदूंगा कंटेंट बनाऊंगा. बट अभी फाइनल जाके देखा ना कि हाँ लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. एंड अभी कुछ और कर सकता हूं.
अभी व्लॉग ऑन YouTube लॉन्ग फॉर्म
व्लॉगर
अटैच कर इसको खुद से ट्राइपॉड को.
वो तो किया है.
लुक एट मी लाइक आई एम लाइक ट्यूटोरियल मदर ऑफ ट्यूटोरियल्स. तो ये बहुत लंबा हो जाता है उसकी वजह से बोरिंग. मेरा तो देख कितना लंबा है. मेरा ये DJI Osmo उसका है वो फोन वाले गिम्बल का.
ये बहुत बड़ा. मैं आई थिंक विदाउट इसका ही चला.
नहीं ब्रो बट तू टेबल वेबल पे बैठेगा डिनर करेगा तभी.
बट ठीक है अगर मैं इधर भी पकड़ूंगा तो इट्स वर्क्स.
या इट्स प्रीटी सॉर्टेड. इट्स अ वेरी पॉकेट साइज कैमरा. गिम्बल को ध्यान रख. तू गिम्बल को नहीं टच करियो.
ओके
समझा. तू जितना मूवमेंट है इस पे कर. तू ध्यान भी गिम्बल का रख. जब बैग्स में रखेगा गिम्बल बहुत डेलिकेट है.
कैसे निकालूं यार मेरे को डर.
हाँ बेस पे से पुल कर. हाँ वहीं से पुल कर. या
ये कैमरा हिल रहा था.
हाँ तो वो होगा ही बट
मत कर लाला ऐसे मत कर. वाह शैम्पी वाह.
I don't watch Big Boss so I don't know all this.
वो बिग बॉस का नहीं है ब्रो. इंस्टाग्राम पे चल रहा है. तूने शैम्पी नहीं देखा तो तूने क्या
मुझे
देखा
मीम
है?
कंटेंट नहीं आता. मुझे तुम लोग के कंटेंट आते
मेरे को खाने के अलावा कुछ नहीं आता है. बट शैम्पी तुझे पता है वो अपनी क्वर्की ने सब रील पे लाइक करके अगर तू आ रही थी देख रही है क्वर्की तेरा हर रील पे लाइक है. वो जो है ना शैम्पी वाह.
Why do I feel like I've heard this from her mouth only?
अरे भाई तू
Yeah.
ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता. तूने शैम्पी नहीं.
नहीं मैंने अदिति के मुंह से सुना है वर्ड.
लादी पोछ रहा हूँ वाह शैम्पी वाह. मैं बर्तन मांज रहा हूँ वाह शैम्पी वाह. मैंने कहा सैम तू क्या तेरे को क्या पागल हो गया. तब जाके मैंने उसको नॉट इंटरेस्टेड तभी भी आदित्य का एक ना एक तो लाइक उस रील पे दिख
कॉल अदिति और
क्वर्की का लाइक नहीं गिरेगा ना उस रील पे. मैं जो बोलेगा ना तो हारेगा करके.
आई थिंक कोकी ने ही ये मेरे मुंह में डाला है वाह शैम्पी वाह. या बट मैंने नहीं बोलती.
कि अपन लोग इसके ऊपर रील बनाएंगे.
बिल्कुल नहीं. ऐसी सब हरकतें मैं नहीं करती. Sorry, you've come to the wrong influencer. All this meme content. My mother wanted me to do such बकवास meme content in Goa. She's like हम ये करेंगे मम्मी. मेरा तो रोज का काम है तो मैं खरीदती हूँ वरना मैं नहीं खरीदती. नहीं बट तू कर उसको रोज का काम बनाओ तो
Of course I
yes
will,
of
yeah,
course
of course.
use it. मेरा तो मतलब यूज हो ही जाता है. लाइक नाउ आई वाज थिंकिंग कि सेकंड Osmo के बदले मैं और क्या लूं. बट और कोई अच्छा कैमरा आया नहीं इंडस्ट्री में तो इट्स लाइक हमेशा कोई व्लॉगिंग कैमरा आता है तो मैं
ये
खरीद
better है.
लेती हूँ.
मतलब जितना मैंने देखा है लोगों को यूज
Like if Canon was to make G7X Mark II again ना I would buy 50 of it.
Canon M50 अभी भी
मेरे पास वो भी है.
I vlog, I shoot my recipes from that camera.
अच्छा M50.
Yeah, it's
कलर्स
better. It's better to use and बहुत handy हो जाता है. कलर भी अच्छा आ जाएगा.
जो ये लोग कैमरा यूज कर रहे हैं ना मम्मी लोग मामी डेड के लिए वो मेरा व्लॉगिंग कैमरा था. तो आई बीच में शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम M50 टू सोनी क्योंकि सोनी के कलर्स बेटर है बट उसका स्टेबलाइजेशन नहीं अच्छा था तो वो ऐसे अच्छा है. मतलब ब्यूटी मैंने हैलोवीन उस पे शूट किया. मैंने उसका 50mm लेंस ली वो ब्यूटी कंटेंट शूट करती हूँ मैं उस पे. फिर व्लॉगिंग के लिए बहुत
फ्री में मिला था ना वो 1545 में अभी तक उस पे टिकाऊ करके ना आई एम ओके विद इट. कंटेंट जा रहा है बस ना भाई.
No, but if you put 50mm on Canon, it'll look very good. अरे 5000 की लेंस है. हाँ, Canon का 50mm बहुत सस्ता है. वो ले ले, बहुत अपग्रेड होता है। मैं तेरे को मेरे ब्यूटी वीडियोस दिखाती हूँ M50 के, तू पागल हो जाएगा। आई यूज्ड टू शूट इन माय फर्स्ट रेंटल होम ओनली ऑन M50 50mm
इवन आई मेरा भी वही है, बस अभी मैंने DJI में डाला है बस।
The only thing with Canon is after some years focus issues आने लगते हैं।
मेरा मदरबोर्ड खराब हुआ था जस्ट 5 days पहले जब मेरा
वारंटी
खत्म होने वाला था। भाई मेरे से जाने से लटक रही थी, बिकॉज़ दैट वाज लाइक सैटरडे और मेरे को उसका बिल भी नहीं मिल रहा था। मैंने क्रोमा वाले गाय को फोन किया, ही इज माय लाइक काइंड ऑफ ब्रदर। मैंने कि भाई कि मुझे बताएगा क्या करके, तो उसने ढूंढ के निकाला बिल, क्योंकि मेरे पास तो नहीं था। मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि मेरा कैमरा इतना टाइम चलेगा करके। तो मैंने उसको कॉल किया, मैंने उसको बोला कि मुझे उसका फोटो भेज करके। फिर मैंने भी ढूंढ के निकाला, उसका बिल मुझे मिला मंडे को। पहले लाइफ में मैं कभी जल्दी उठ के छुट्टियों पे मैं, और ऐसे वेकेशन ही चल रहे थे ऐसे करके, मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ के अंधेरी पे मर के ट्रेन से ऐसे कुत्ते से गर्दियों में मैं पहली बार तब ट्रैवल करके रुस्तम जी पहुंचा। मैंने कहा ये लो बेटा मुझे दे दो इसको चेंज करके। सिर्फ 1 दिन बचा था, 1 या 2 दिन बचे थे उसके वारंटी के बाद।
कनकिया के पास है ना वो।
Yeah.
I'll show you which was my Canon. मेरे old reels, old shorts देख, 77 जब कोई शॉर्ट्स नहीं बनाता था मैं शॉर्ट्स बनाती थी, and तभी इतने व्यूज आते थे। इस पे भी मेरे को लोग बोलते आप ये इन्फ्लुएंसर के दोस्त बन के पॉपुलर हो गए। I'm like ये सब जो काम मैं कर रही थी, आप सो रहे थे जब मैं काम कर रही थी। मैं देखो बता, ये सब फोन है, ये सब फोन है, ये अमित का कैमरा है।
ये मैंने देखा है, मैंने देखा है।
अमित का, अरे यार
ये मैंने बोला ना, ये अनवाइंड वाला तुम्हें बता सकता। तू रेस्टोरेंट में, होटल्स में जाके यूज्ड टू शूट कंटेंट विद पूजा, बर्थडे ड्रेस मेरे ये करा लो करके, कौन सा सिलेक्ट करना है करके। आई नो व्हेन आई वाज नथिंग दैट आई यूज्ड टू कंज्यूम योर कंटेंट ओनली, जब पेज में आता था अभी करके।
दिस इज ऑल फोन, दिस इज ऑल मम्मी के घर पे जब मेरा घर ये बन रहा है।
देखा ये तेरा वाला प्रिंसेस वाला जो कॉर्नर है कि चल वहाँ पे कपड़े सूख रहे हैं।
हाँ, मम्मी के घर पे मेरा कपड़े सूखते हैं यहाँ पे अभी। दिस इज द फेज व्हेन दिस हाउस वाज बीइंग मेड। तो व्हेन आई वाज ट्रांजिशनिंग, और तभी मेरे को समझा ऐसे फोकस लाइट होते तो कितने अच्छे गेट रेडी विद मी होते। तो मैंने इधर ये घर में ये फोकस लाइट लगाई।
समझा यार,
लर्न फ्रॉम एवरी फेज। या ब्रो, लाइटिंग इज एवरीथिंग। ये मैंने अश्वगंधा बाउंस रिव्यू की थी, सबको लगा दीपिका ने पैसे दिए, वो मेरे को मिले तो नहीं आज तक। बट ये M50 है 50mm के साथ।
Very nice. मैं कर रहा हूँ।
तो ब्लर देख बैकग्राउंड में, तो 50mm लेगा ना तो तेरे को ब्लर मिलेगा।
ब्लर नहीं कराने ना मुझे, वही तो सीन है।
नहीं बट डिस्टर्बिंग कम लगेगा तेरे को पीछे का बैकग्राउंड
ना कि देखो मेरे बर्तन इतना पैसा।
हाँ तो ये क्या तेरे को सिल्वर प्लेट बटन नहीं लग रहा है? जो स्मार्ट इंसान है वो बोल सकते हैं गुची और बर्बेरी का डब्बा भी है, बट ब्लर्ड।
बट मेरे जो बर्तन है उसकी नजाकत क्या अलग है एकदम। उसकी जो डिटेलिंग है, ठोक ठोक के उसको पीट पीट के बनाया, उसके ऊपर क्रेविंग क्या है, कार्विंग क्या है, सॉरी
क्रेविंग क्या है, उसके खाने के बर्तन पे क्रेविंग की है।
तो जो कार्विंग के उसके ऊपर डिटेलिंग है, वो
Nobody cares. They want to see you and your food. You want to take my 50mm and try? I have a 50mm. I don't know where it's kept. I'll give you now only.
देख चेक कर ले।
सत्या, अपने पास ना एक लेंस थी छोटी, कैनन वाला कैमरा है ना, जो मैं पुराना कैमरा यूज करती थी सफेद वाला, उस पे एक काली लेंस है। मेरे पास कितने डिवाइसेस है जो कोई नहीं यूज करता है इस घर में। सत्यम बैठ के स्पीकर्स पे गाने सुनता है भोजपुरी मूवीज के, वो करता है सत्यम। बेटा इसमें कैनन की कैमरा बैग में अभी उस दिन ही मैंने देखी थी, शेरन ने ये सब निकाली थी। एक गिम्बल आड़ा टेढ़ा भी बहुत होता है। ये कैमरा बैग खोल, इसमें तो सिर्फ अपना सोनी का सामान है। कैनन का किधर है? नहीं, ये सोनी का कैमरा है। अपने पास एक सफेद कैमरा था, वो कहाँ गया? कैनन का खुद के निकाला। मैं तो DJI का माइक भी
अडैप्टर भी अपने को पता ना,
अडैप्टर है?
हां आई हैव अडैप्टर यार।
वो उसमें नहीं मिला था,
मुझे मिला था बिकॉज़ क्रोमा भाई साहब के ये
मेरा वाइट M50 था। हालत देख मेरी M50।
तूने इसका बेचारे का ये भी नहीं बन दिया यार।
अरे वो खराब हो गई ये सब चीजें। मैं एक ही कैमरा पे ऐसे रगड़ी हूँ ना, ऐसी 1.5 मिलियन में नहीं पहुंचे हम। Guys, you all remember this camera? Who's been on my journey since I've had this camera? Look at the हालत of my camera. पूरी इसकी पपड़ियाँ निकल गई है, साइड से खुल गया है, इसकी बैटरी में चार्जिंग नहीं है, and I don't even know if this works anymore. Look at this beauty.
एक बार बैटरी डाल के चेक कर लेना दूर है क्या चल रहा है, नहीं चल रहा है।
पूरा मैं बेचूंगी, मेरे पास पूरा मैं म्यूजियम बनाऊंगी बुड्ढी होने
अरे
के
भाई, मेरे पास
बाद।
iPhone
जब
6
मैं
पड़ा है।
रिटायर्ड यूट्यूबर बन जाऊंगी तो सब म्यूजियम होगा। माय फर्स्ट कैमरा, माय फर्स्ट। मेरे पास कितना आईफोन है मालूम है? 6, 7,
यार मेरा अभी तक
मेरा कस्टमर सर्विस फोन 7, 11 प्रो, पप्पा मम्मी के फोन। अभी अगर वो भी बेचूंगी ना, उनको नया फोन दिलाएंगे।
जब अकाउंट मोनेटाइज हुआ ना, उस दिन मेरा 6 मर गया। उसने तुझे पता है ग्रेवी में लिटरली, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था ट्राइपॉड एग्जिस्ट करता है। लाइक 6 साल पहले आई यूज्ड टू पुट इट इन अपना वो जो सेल्फी स्टिक होता है ना, उसके ऊपर, एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू शूट द कंटेंट बिकॉज़ चारू मेरा कंटेंट शूट कर रहे थे। देन शी गॉट प्रेग्नेंट, लाइक प्रेगनेंसी में शी यूज्ड टू शूट माय कंटेंट, बट देन उसका आ गया टाइम, तो आई यूज्ड टू पुट इट इन अपना सेल्फी स्टिक में। और वो सेल्फी स्टिक मैंने पीओपी का जो होता है ना, वो फर्म बेस बनाया एंड उसके अंदर घुसाया, तो वो फिट हो गया, मतलब लाइफ टाइम फिट हो गया वो पीवीसी के अपना जो होता है ना व्हाइट पुट्टी
Plaster of Paris.
हाँ उसके अंदर
हाँ,
पुट्टी में डाले देन आई यूज्ड टू पुट इट इन तो वो कितनी बार टमाटर के ग्रेवी में गिरा एंड जिस दिन मेरा अकाउंट मोनेटाइज हुआ ना YouTube का उसने जी जान तोड़ ही दी मतलब उसने चला ही नहीं फिर वो मैंने 6 रखा है 7 रखा है 11 रखा है और ये 13 मेरे पास अभी है जो
The next day.
Good morning, Fudgy. Good morning, Mama. She put you paw. Paw for my Fudgy. Paw. Mama put your paw on your bedsheet. Okay. Chalo, wake up. We have to work on Saturday also today. How are you sleeping? Look at how you're sleeping. My good da babu. Get up, Mama. Has to get to work. Work. Chalo, quickly. Come on. Let's pick an outfit for work. Come on. Go make shushu. Go bathroom. Shushu make. Go shushu make. What will I wear today? I'll wear this. सेम पैंट होनी चाहिए. पैंट है तो ये मैं पहन रही हूँ वरना वो दूसरा टॉप पहनूंगी. कोई सुनता नहीं.
वो इतना डर के because she's the full time in impulse coffee से मैं एक वीडियो तो करते ही
Yeah, Impulse Coffees is struggling. I need to.
शेरन पूरा टाइम डरी हुई रहती है. मैं उसको कभी भी मैसेज
I don't want to know why she in office till 7 o'clock when there is nothing to do.
Later that same evening.
Hi Chonuma, I love you so much.
हेजला गलाने आ गई मेरी माँ.
देख भाई तेरा लव लैंग्वेज तेरे को जो बोलना है बोल. ये मेरा लव लैंग्वेज है.
वो सोचा तुम्हारे लिए टॉय लाओ बट बोला इसको तो बिना टॉय के ही खाना मिल जाता है तो टॉय ला के देने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई एम गोइंग टू बाय हिम pee pads.
What is that pee pads?
You know, like diapers on the floor that directly absorb the susu because Mutria makes so much susu.
Yeah, but it smells. The whole house stinks. Then
No,
I
then you're
know.
supposed to change like newspaper, but at least it won't go like newspaper. Mein it's failing everywhere,
That's
mother.
again another additional expense.
No, let me at least try. All these bougie dogs use it now. Fudge is also a bougie dog. No, Fudgy, you're pulling on a new toy. Give. कभी ये toy के साथ खेलता है. This is the first toy Reet ever got. Fudja. वो आज तक फाड़ा नहीं है नसीब उसका.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, good morning. It is Monday. मैंने Sunday को इतना vlog नहीं किया because I was mostly just resting. I got my period and then I was resting and shooting and editing and uploading the Q&A for y'all. जो Sunday को आपने देखा होगा. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है then you can watch it now because बहुत late upload किया था मैंने. The same day I shot, edited and uploaded. Now I'm going for my skin treatments Monday morning at 10 o'clock and I'm going for getting my skin treatment done. It's been a very long time that I've gone to the Dr. Shades clinic. You all know that's where I go for my skin treatment, so I thought I'll take you along today. I don't get anything invasive done anymore on my face. I used to do for my scars and stuff like micro needling तो मैंने नहीं किया कभी भी. I had done a treat Subcision RF long back at a different clinic, but now I'm a little scared of like invasive treatments. It did work well for me Subcision RF like over time. Now मैं उस खड्डे जो हो गए थे acne marks से वो सब fill हो गए. मैंने ये वीडियो बनाया है YouTube पे and I've explained all my skin treatments to y'all, so y'all can watch it. I'll link it in the description box and in the eye over here for you. But yeah, today I'm just going for like a treatment, maintenance treatment. I've not been to my dermat in a very long time, so go pay visit and just like check up on my dermat and see how my skin is doing. Early in the morning I'm going so that I can come back and get to my Monday hustle. Let's go.
A few moments later.
So hair fall is still there in the shower. Now I don't heat style my hair anymore. I've started maintaining my. ये अभी है मैं शूट पे गई थी उस दिन. But hair fall हो रहा है. Decent amount. It's not like as crazy as when I had complained to you the last time.
It's very subtle, but if you see the difference in diameter between this and this,
Right.
you'll be able to appreciate that some level of miniaturization is happening.
Right, yeah.
And that is characteristic of hormonal hair thinning. Right? See, if you see the amount of miniaturization,
Yeah.
also keep in mind, so this again is a healthy follicle. A healthy follicle has between 2 to 4 hairs per follicle. So this is absolutely normal.
Okay.
But थोड़ी like this is again a good, very good healthy follicle. 3 hairs, तीनों के तीनों मोटे. That's very good. But every now and then, so in this follicle, if I see this and this, so there is again a little slight bit of miniaturization which is happening, right? And that's consistent with the elevated testosterone.
Okay.
You get what I mean?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
male
yeah.
hormones, they cause hair growth everywhere, all over the body. But those same male hormones, they cause thinning over the scalp.
Right.
Right, so fair enough. And the thing is, the minute we correct the underlying, hormonal imbalance, everything else just falls into place. So there's nothing really wrong with the hair. There's nothing wrong with the scalp. Poor chap is just an innocent bystander. right? So by and large, this is much better than what your hair used to be earlier. Like,
Correct, yeah.
Do you feel that individually also your hair has become much thicker?
Absolutely, yeah. In fact, I was telling also that I've stopped heat styling with oiling and everything. I feel like healthy hair is coming back.
Do you feel that your hair also, that your scalp feels thicker?
Yeah,
That you see lesser of the skin of the scalp?
yeah.
Fair enough. Do you feel that near the roots, right? थोड़ा heavy होने लग गया है, like the head just feels thicker?
Not that much.
Okay, now what
I would like it more.
Fair enough. Still the tip. Okay, this is at least about 2 feet. Right? For you, if you were to go bald today, for you to be able to grow this much hair, it will take you at least 1.5-2 years easily. Which means whenever new hair starts growing, it will first start coming from the tips, and it will take at least 2 years to get it in your ponytail, right? So whenever new hair starts growing, you'll find it that it's thicker near the roots because you'll start seeing baby hair, right?
Yeah.
You'll also start noticing now that the hair looks frizzy.
Yeah.
That's a good problem to have because that's actually new hair. So when you try to style that hair, let's say this hair is about 1 foot, right? This hair is about 1.5 to 2 feet, right? But your new hair are it's only few centimeters, but it's few millimeters, few inches. So it's not going to sit very well with your surrounding hair.
Got
So it's a good problem to have.
Yeah.
It's like when somebody loses weight, suddenly all the entire wardrobe becomes very
Yeah.
loose and baggy.
So that's why I'm not coloring my hair also.
Fair
I
enough,
want
fair
to
enough.
grow a nice thick mane and then color my hair.
Fair enough. You had a pimple. Okay. When you burst the pimple, इतना बड़ा gap आ गया.
Right.
Okay. When your body healed it, your body healed it like this.
Right.
So as you can see, there is loss of tissue. This is an atrophic scar. Okay. Now, if we want to stimulate new tissue, we do something known as micro needling. What happens? हम लोग कसाई नहीं है. We are not butchers. So first we put numbing anesthetic cream, and then microscopic needles go inside, and they only cause trauma here, here, and here. Earlier, when you had trauma in this entire area, right?
Okay.
But now we are only causing sustained very small trauma.
Okay.
When there is an injury, your body will feel, hey, chot lagi hai. Let me send in my own growth factors. Let me send in my own repair cells. Okay. This is plain simple micro needling the good old fashioned way. But we do something better, which is micro needling with radio frequency, MNRF. So these needles only which go inside, they release RF, radio frequency heat energy, through those very small channels. And this RF will increase your own body's proteins like collagen, elastin, fibrillin, like खुद ही के body के proteins बढ़ाएगा. So after one dose, now it look like this. Now it look like this. Now it look like this. धीरे धीरे the scar starts filling, right? To go as hard as I should have, considering the amount of scars that you have.
Okay.
Because I don't want to for you to ever enter a procedure feeling scared. That's
Yeah.
very, very important.
Yeah.
Right? The advantage of that will be that we may even omit the PRP part. PRP is of course better. When we had a PRP, when we had exosomes, of course it's much better. We can give much.
I like PRP, but
Fair enough, but I'm just saying that we can simplify the process because PRP में भी blood लेना है, prick करना है, then after
that all I'm not scared of.
Oh, fair enough.
I'm not scared of blood and all. That all is like the last thing. मुझे blood से डर नहीं लगता. मुझे सिर्फ वो hollowness वापस नहीं चाहिए. I want you to do it very targeted then.
I will do it more superficially. I will not go very hard on the RF part because
ठीक
I
है.
want to scare you. Right?
ठीक है.
And once you actually start seeing results, then I can actually start increasing the fluence and the energy to actually
Got it.
match it properly. But you'll improve very well with it.
Okay.
Right? But I'm glad that the fat gain has.
No, fat gain is not good. Don't tell me. I will lose the fat.
No, but fat is what makes us beautiful. That's what gives contour.
Wow.
So either when somebody loses a lot of fat when they abuse an Ozempic or a Mounjaro, we actually have to do fillers to correct all that.
Correct.
So when we actually have good amount of the good fat, right? Your BMI is good. When we have the good fat, it actually gives a very nice, supple, healthy look, right? So fat is good. We love fat. Okay?
I got a full rash, but
the way, face the way.
didn't get time to come to you.
No problem. I'll give you something. Settle हो जाएगा.
So that's why I'm tridine नहीं लगाओगे ना फिर इधर आप
I can do it though.
कुछ कर सकते हो. अभी हो गया टाइम.
Yeah, I can do it.
I burnt myself in gold. My skin looks so good. Monday morning I'm sitting here and my team is texting so much and the Wi-Fi doesn't come till room 4. Guys, look at my skin. I love this laser that we do at Dr. Sheth. Dr. Agni here.
Hi.
Yeah, this is the first time you're talking to my vlog.
Yeah, I've never done that. Never done
Yes.
that.
Yes.
What am I supposed to say?
You should.
Hi.
Yes. My favorite doctor, Dr. Sheth, and this is the only treatment that gives you like instant results. Like the glow on the face is so nice. Even when I have no problems in life, I do this and feel good. Guys, skin is looking amazing. I love it. Thank you so much. I'll see you
so glad.
soon.
Many hours later.
Guys, I'm back from my skin treatment and skin is looking so good. Honestly, don't trust anybody except Dr. Sheth's clinic with my skin. You all know I've had PT, like literally Dr. Agni हर consult में मुझे मेरी PTSD का बताता है. Like any treatment to do, he consults me so nicely and honestly, it is such a good clinic. Like every time I've gone to Dr. Sheth's, my skin becomes even better and even healthier. I'm going after so long. He's like, I'm seeing you after April, and I was like, yeah, because my skin's been good, mashallah, and I don't need any treatment. And he's like, you just need to come to me for treatments, maintenance. But मेरे prescription में थोड़ी सारी चीजें like my supplements and all, he will tweak a little bit if I need anything. So for my skin, he's added one supplement. For my hair, he's added one supplement. But he showed, like you saw my full consultation today, end to end. I showed you everything, and you see how detailed it is and how much he focuses on how much I have PTSD from my previous treatments that I've done. So he's very particular that, you know, मेरे को मतलब और trauma ना हो after the treatments I do with them. So today it was all superficial. We did a cleanup, we did a peel, and we did a cleanup, we did Tri-Beam, and then we did a peel. The Tri-Beam is my favorite treatment. It basically targets all the melanin, so the deep pigmentation that I have in my scarring and around my mouth area and all, it helps that beautifully. The neck region में भी मुझे burn हो गया because of Goa. You can't really tell over here, but it's there. And now there'll be a lot of sunlight in this room, so I'm going to go apply a layer of sunscreen. अभी 2 दिन I can't apply any makeup, so there'll be a little bit of downtime, just 2 दिन का downtime, which is perfectly fine for my skin to just heal and breathe. It's not mandatory, it's optional, but I like to do that downtime to just let my skin enjoy the skin treatments I did. It's like a pamper session for my skin. Like if you actually want to spend your money on skin treatments, I would recommend Dr. Sheth's, because I've been scammed by so many clinics in the past, and this is the only clinic I trust with my skin. Not sponsored, by the way. And now I'm heading into a day of work. Monday is usually hectic, but most of the work was on my phone with communications and everything. तो वो चीज़ें मैं सुबह से कर ही रही थी. When even during my skin treatments, I was like on my phone and messaging. So that has been taken care of.
The next day.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. It is 4th of November today and I'm ending the vlog today. I will see you in the next one with a new fresh hustle. Currently मेरी skin पे बहुत breakouts लग रहे हैं after the skin treatment, because हमने जो chemical peel किया है उसमें जितने भी clogged up acne होता है वो सब बाहर निकलता है, सारा acne निकल के गिर जाता है. So that's the point. So you see so many breakouts had come just overnight. Like मैं थोड़ी डर गई सुबह उठ के अपनी skin को देख कर. I was like, what just happened? But yeah, all of them are going to now dry up and all my clogged up pores basically get unclogged, but like this, they don't die inside, they come out, which sucks, but it's okay. Then after that you have to do some more sessions and stuff, so I'll keep you posted in my vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sara Score shout out goes to Gopal Agarwal. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next year's Sara Score shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and transfer for my next video's Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys in the video. Bye guys.